Hi, it's Jason from Coastal Asbestos Removal here, your asbestos expert. Today, we're just going to cover off a quick topic, so let's get into it. G'day, welcome back here. It's Jason, your Coastal Asbestos Removal expert. Today's top tip is about friable and non-friable asbestos. Now, WorkSafe Australia basically says if you can crush it in your hand to a powder state, it's friable, okay? But there's also this thing called LDB, low density board. Now, it's in sheet form, and to the untrained eye, it looks like it's normal bonded asbestos. So we've got bonded that's in a sheet and friable that can be crushed in the hand. So things, or just loose. So things like asbestos rope are friable. In the old days, they used to mix asbestos with water and plaster and pack it around pipes in the walls. That's friable because as soon as you touch it, it just turns to dust. And then there's a few other things. The Mr. Fluffy in New South Wales, and Canberra sort of areas, it didn't really go out of that. That's friable. And also things like if you just get bonded and you cut it with a grinder, that's considered friable as well. Also, once asbestos is burnt in a fire, it's considered friable. Look, most people are going to have non-friable asbestos in their homes, but there are a lot of homes that have friable asbestos. So this is the difference. The bonded stuff is about 10 to 15% asbestos by volume. So it's usually held in a matrix of concrete or some sort of vinyl, like vinyl tiles. And it was just mixed in to give strength and endurance. But the friable stuff is a lot higher. So typical LDB or low density board is probably like a mixture of plaster of Paris or something, an 80, 85, 90% asbestos. So you can see the percentage of the fibre in the material when it's disturbed and the accelerated risk of fibre release into the atmosphere. So I think one thing that catches everybody out is asbestos back lino, not vinyl tiles, lino. Now that's got an 85% asbestos roughly pure backing on it. So it's not really something you want to mess around with. If you hear the word friable, or if you hear the word asbestos, just stop. It's never too late to get the experts in. The best thing to do is before you start. So I hope that clears it up. Friable, non-friable asbestos, they're trade terms, but basically all you really need to know is asbestos is asbestos and it should only be handled by the experts. Okay, see you in the next one.